Trying to pick the best self-propelled lawnmower without wasting money? Stick around because we're ranking 5 popular mowers from weakest to best, and the top spot might surprise you. This one lands at the bottom of our ranking, and not because it's bad. It's because in a lineup focused on self-propelled mowers, this one is the odd one out. It's a corded push mower, meaning you're doing the pushing, and you're also managing a power cord the whole time. What it does well is keep things simple. Plug it in, pull the handle, and you're mowing. No gas, no battery charging, no worrying about storing fuel. And for tiny yards, that smaller cutting width can actually help you squeeze into tight spots. Plus, it comes with a bag, so you can clean up as you go instead of leaving clippings everywhere. But here's the trade-off. That narrow cutting width means more passes, more time, and more steps. And because it's corded, you're constantly thinking about where the cable is, where it's going, and whether you're about to mow over it. Compared to the cordless self-propelled options coming up, this feels like mowing with one hand tied behind your back. So who should consider it? If your lawn is small, flat, and you mainly want something lightweight and straightforward, it can work. But if you're here because you want self-propelled convenience, this is your starter option at best. And the next mower is where the list starts feeling like it belongs in this category. Links to all the products from the review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we've got the first mower here that actually drives itself. And the big difference you'll feel immediately is this. You're not forcing the mower forward anymore, you're guiding it. That alone can turn mowing from a workout into a routine you don't dread. Compared to the corded push mower we just covered, this one is a huge step up in freedom. No cord dragging behind you, no stopping because you ran out of reach, and no planning your mowing pattern like you're solving a maze. It also gives you multiple self-propel speeds, which is great because not everyone walks at the same pace. Some days you want to cruise, other days you want to get it done fast. Now the reason it's not higher is mostly about range of capability. The cutting width is solid, but the 21 and 22-inch mowers later on can cover the same lawn faster, and the maximum cut height is lower than the top competitors, which matters if you like leaving your grass taller or you're dealing with rougher patches that need a bit more clearance. This mower is for someone who wants self-propelled convenience without jumping all the way into the bigger, more powerful class. If your yard is small to medium and you want cordless freedom with less effort, it's a nice upgrade. And if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because the next few picks are where the real contenders show up. This one takes the middle spot, and it's here because it hits that sweet spot size. A 21-inch cutting width is the point where mowing starts to feel efficient on a typical yard. You're not inching along, you're actually making progress with each pass, and you're not giving up the cordless convenience that makes mowing feel simpler. The bigger reel wheels are a quiet advantage too. In my experience, larger reel wheels make the mower feel less picky about little bumps and uneven spots. It's like the difference between pushing a shopping cart with tiny wheels versus one with bigger wheels that just roll smoothly. And the cut height range reaches higher than the Litheli, which gives you more flexibility for different seasons and lawn preferences. That said, this mower has 2 things that can hold it back. First, it's on the heavier side. If you've got tight turns, narrow storage space, or you often need to maneuver around obstacles, you'll feel that weight. Second, while 40-volt systems can be great for many lawns, the higher power machines later in this list can feel more confident when grass gets thick, tall, or stubborn. If you want a modern cordless mower with a full-size cutting width and a wide cut height range, this one is a strong everyday pick. But if you regularly battle heavier grass or you want maximum power and features, the next 2 mowers start pushing into that top-tier territory. This one jumps into the runner-up spot because it's built like a workhorse. The big story here is power. A gas engine like this is the kind of thing you reach for when your lawn doesn't politely cooperate. Thick grass, fast growth, slightly neglected areas, this mower is designed to muscle through without feeling like it's running out of breath. You also get a wider deck than the 21-inch machines, which means fewer passes. And the multi-speed control is a big deal in real life, because your pace changes depending on whether you're on open stretches or weaving around trees and garden beds. When a mower lets you match the speed to your walk, mowing feels smoother and less frustrating. But gas comes with the usual gas baggage. You've got fuel, maintenance, storage, and generally more noise. And compared to the cordless models, it's not the type of mower you casually grab for a quick 5-minute trim. It's more like a reliable pickup truck, strong and dependable, but not as effortless as an electric option when you just want quiet convenience. This mower is for the person who wants serious cutting strength, especially if your yard is larger or your grass can get thick and unruly. But if you want that same handle tough conditions confidence without the gas routine, our number 1 pick is where the best balance of power and convenience really shows up. This takes the top spot because it feels like the most complete package in this lineup. It checks the big boxes: full-size cutting width, wide cut height range, self-propelled that's easy to control, and a battery setup that's clearly meant for real mowing, not just quick touch-ups. Where it separates itself is confidence and flexibility. That taller maximum cutting height gives you more room to handle thicker grass or keep your lawn longer if that's your style. The self-propel speed range is also broad, so whether you like to take your time or move fast, it can match you. And the fact that it comes with 2 larger batteries and a higher power charger means you're getting a kit that's ready to work, not something that feels underpowered the moment your grass gets a little ambitious. The main downside is usually the upfront cost. Higher-end cordless mowers can often cost more than basic 40-volt machines, and you're also buying into a battery system. But if you're already looking for a top-tier self-propelled experience and you want the convenience of cordless without feeling like you're compromising, this is the strongest all-around option here. If you want one mower that can handle most lawns comfortably, feel smooth to use, and still give you strong performance without gas maintenance, this is the pick to beat. And if you're choosing between the top options, definitely use the links in the description under the video to check current pricing, because deals can change fast. If you want to skip the guesswork, check out the top mowers using the links in the description under the video, and grab the one that fits your yard and your style. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next review.